Just a little update on the little white. Got the clutch out of it. Well, most of it, half of it. The transmission over here. Things are quite tight in the shop, but that's all right. This thing had a wicked vibration in the motor. Pretty much anything off idle. And I was really suspecting the clutch. And I was really hoping it was a clutch. And I'm gonna say it was a clutch. You see what I see? Two of those ears are just completely floating in the flywheel head itself. The intermediate plate is 1/4 inch off of the top, pretty much resting on the bottom. So I would say that is a source of a major engine vibration. Once I get it all out, I will start the motor up and just confirm, but that's a good sight to see when you're already planning on changing the clutch anyway. I'll have some more update videos as I go along. Easy access into the cab. Everything's come apart easy on this little girl, and I'm very happy with it. All these lines, valves, linkage and everything is going to be replaced while I've got the transmission out. Motor mounts, they are quite petrified. Hopefully this will be a smooth runner again once I get her all back together. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.